Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to access the hidden menu in Gtmedia V. This will give you access to Softcam menu and also C-line menu. This also work on other versions. Press menu on your remote, go to network and then navigate to California system. Click OK, then click 4 times on the number 6 of your remote pointing to the receiver and you should get a menu like this one. And that's it. You now have access to the hidden menu. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.